For this segment, we are going to learn how to use the negative space for the slice designs that we cut. We are going to create this little table setting or place card that's perfect for a party. As you can see, we've used the negative space for our design. I'm using the back to school card. There are lots of leaves on this back to school card. I picked one that I like, and I am using the 2.5 inch size. So I'm going to cut that out. Once you're done, you can remove your leaf just like this. And instead of using this part, we're going to use the negative spot. I'm going to make a card, so I'll go ahead and just fold that down just like that. And then you can cut the excess off depending on how big or small you want your card. I'm going to set this aside and use the metallic paper that is specifically made for the slice. This metallic paper I'm going to use to cut the tag, which is from the Basic Shapes 1 card. So I'm going to find my tag. This is going to be the 1.5 inch size. And I'm going to cut that out. And when I'm done, I can use my spatula to take that off. From here, I can use some rub-ons. This is from Making Memories Card Saying Rub-On book. And I'm going to use the popsicle stick to rub the letters off, just like that. I'm going to take that off. So you have your tag that we'll set aside, and I'll show you what to do with that. Next, you're going to take your metallic paper. This is just the empty spot that we used. So you're going to take your metallic paper. This is just the extra. And we're going to glue that on the inside of our card. Just like that. Then I'm going to take the paper trimmer and we are going to trim the card. And you can make this as big or as small as you want. So we'll trim that up. For our card. And from here you can attach the tag to the side. I am using papery ribbon on that, and to make the hole I've used the hole punch. So you have your hole, I've tied my tag on, and I am ready for the party. This is a great way to use the negative space for your slice on your projects. Here is some other examples of what you can use for the negative space. On this page, I've used the negative space to create a border or a background. This card, I've used the negative space, and I've also added the positive space on the card for the flower. This is a similar card that you can use the negative and the positive space for a greeting card.